how to easily test your car relays with an automotive relay tester. You can buy these on Amazon or eBay with a boost pack. So a lot of people make this process hard, but you can make it really easy. So you obviously connect the power to the power and the negative to negative. You can do this to a normal car battery too, just link it up to a car battery. But a little tip for you, when you use this booster pack, so you turn it on, this needs a lot of power, so you'd obviously then hold the button down quite hard. This is a bit old now there, so now it's giving it a boost. Now this turns on, so this should flick 10 times a green light. If it automatically stays red, you turn it on, this is automatically red, or you go through a test it 5 times and it goes red. So that's gone green now. Test the relay 10 times. It's gone green, which means this relay is good. If automatically red is knackered, or it flicks 5 times, then that's knackered too. So you just hold this button down. So that's testing it 10 times. That's testing the internal mechanisms of the relay. So basically that's how you do it easily. But remember, this test don't do all relays. Some relays they don't fit, but it does a lot of relays. So if you want one of these guys, you don't have to have this. This is if you're just working inside, but you do it on your car. But if you want one of these, okay, there's a link below. You can get these on Amazon cheap, and these are cool. These will save you so much headache, I promise you. These are a must-have for anyone who likes cars. Link below, guys, to this product if you want it.